Hi friends. I'm your host, Gemini. Welcome to today's podcast episode. Over time, your garage door can face signs of wear and tear. Sometimes, there would be noisy operation, slow response time, or sagging garage door sections. If you notice these issues, you should go for garage door repair services immediately. Adams Garage Doors LLC, a full-service garage door repair company, can help you in this regard. Their trained garage door technicians offer a wide range of services to cover all your garage door servicing needs. Also, they use products from top brands and provide affordable rates. For a free estimate, call 7036236766 or visit adamsgaragedoors.llc.com. Thanks for joining. Keep listening for more updates.